Okay, hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the shoe transition trend where you throw it up and then you catch it with your other foot. Now the songs I use for this trend are Orange Soda and Genocide. Yeah, these are the two songs I use. I think they might use another song. But yeah, I can tell you guys are struggling with how you do it. Do you cut the camera? Do you swipe the camera? Do you edit it? How much do you edit? Well, I'm going to be showing you in the video how to do it today. Please go follow me on my TikTok account. I've just hit 6,000 followers, so it's been really good fun. Here is the TikTok that I made. If you want to replicate this, I'm going to be showing you how to replicate it. I'm going to be showing you how to do a little zoom at the end and how to put some little effects in at the end as well, just so it looks a little bit more smoother. But here it is.
Bitch sit on my face, I attack that. Bitch sit on my face, I attack that. Bitch sit on my face, I attack that. Choose up, Lil John, I'm finna pack him. When it comes to...
So there we go guys, that is the video that I made. If you want to replicate this, please stick around and watch to the end of the video. I'm going to be showing you every single detail, a few tips and tricks that you guys have not heard from other YouTubers. I think there's been one other tutorial on this, but I wanted to do my own tutorial. So yeah, let's get into it. Starting off, you're going to be picking two outfits you want to pick. One where you're going to start with, one where you're going to transition to. Make sure you've got the shoe of the second outfit you're holding. That's the one you're going to be throwing up in the air. Next, you're going to pick a place where you're going to do it. Okay, so I'm going to pick my garden bench, as you saw then. Anywhere where the camera is facing front to you. I'm lucky enough to own a tripod. If you don't own a tripod, just put a chair and then your phone. Just make sure the camera is facing you straight up. Not on a side or an angle. Once you've got everything set up, you've got your outfit ready to change into, you're going to sit on the bench or anywhere you're going to sit on, and you're going to analyse where you've sat. Okay, so make sure you've sort of put sellotape or put something there to say or remember where you've sat, so when you change outfits that it doesn't look like you jumped somewhere else halfway across the bench or something. So try and remember where you're sitting, okay, where you've placed your legs, where you've placed your arms. So it's really key that you do this for the smoothest transition possible. Next, you want to be getting your camera ready. Make sure you're outside of TikTok and you're filming on your normal camera, so there's no like big watermark, so it looks more professional. Make sure you're filming outside of TikTok. And basically, you want to put your camera where it is and you have to keep it there for two separate clips, okay? Okay, so your first clip, what you want to do is grab your shoe. This is when you're going to be flinging up. This is going to be the shoe of your second outfit, okay? So not your first outfit, your second outfit. And what you want to do is obviously you're going to be placing your leg over and catching it, so you want to make sure your leg's like quite wide up like this. So when you're throwing up your shoe, okay, do not throw it fast like I did. That is not necessary. You can do it if you want to, but make sure you're throwing it up like, and it's just about to cover your head or just anywhere around your torso body, okay? So your foot's going to be like catching it like that, okay? With this motion, you want to be doing this quickly, so it's like whew, so it looks smoother and you can cut it really quickly. If you're doing it slowly, then you're going to see a little cut and a little jump or whatever, and you won't be able to see the shoe as smooth. So yeah, do not be throwing your shoe really fast, just throw it up like that, okay? Simple as that. You want to be doing a few clips of them so you get the perfect clip. Try and do that a few times. I'd say do it like 3 or 4 times in that one outfit, and then when you go into your second outfit, do it like 3 or 4 times again. So with your second outfit, once you've changed, put on a suit, put on a dress, whatever you want to do, make sure you've got that one shoe on, okay? And you want to put your other shoe on, obviously, so it doesn't look silly. And you just want to get into the same place that you was for your first outfit, and simply replicate that move, okay? So just like this, like that, and then sing the song, whatever you want to do. But make sure you're doing this a few times so you can change the height of the leg, because obviously you won't remember where the height of the leg was, where the shoe was. So make sure you're doing the same pose a few times, so you're just moving your leg up and down, singing to the camera, up, down, a few different heights, so it's just perfect like that. Slower, faster, whatever you want. Just make sure you're doing that a few times so you can get the perfect clip when you're looking back on both your footage and both your videos. So that is the tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how I actually did my video now. I'm going to be showing you how I did my little zoom and the effect at the end as well. So let's cut to Ben doing the footage. Okay, so I have chosen my location to do my TikTok. I've also got my shoes, so I'm going to throw one up in the air and then catch it with my other foot. Make sure you do the video more than once, because obviously not the first one's going to be perfect, so you want to do it a few times just so you can match up the clips. It doesn't take too long to just do it again. All you got to do is fling your shoe in the air, see how it goes. I'm lucky enough to own a tripod, so I've got my iPhone on my tripod and it's facing directly towards the bench. So yeah, let's give this a go. Okay, so that one took me like 5-ish minutes. A few tips: try not to throw it at your foot or throw it at your body, because you can hit yourself and it just hurts, like throwing a leather shoe at your foot. Okay, I'm in my second outfit. So I've done my first transition. Now I just got to match that to where my foot is. Feeling pretty lit in this suit, I can't lie. It's my prom suit, so it's quite gas, you know what I mean? Okay, thank you for that, Ben. Now it is time to edit. So this editing is going to take a little while. It won't take a little while actually, it depends how smooth you want the cut, okay? So you want to come to the front bit of your clip. So in the first clip you want to come to the end of it where the shoe is at a certain point, wherever you want the shoe to be. And at the front of the second clip, you want to match that up so the shoe is like right in the same place. So when it cuts, it looks really smooth, okay? It's going to take a few attempts to do that, so just make sure the end of the first clip is where the front of the second clip starts, so your outfit changes but the shoe is near, or the foot is near the same direction. It doesn't have to be perfectly on because people are not going to be analysing it with their phones when they're right up close, but yes. But yeah, once you've lined that up, make sure you put the sounds on, all your effects. I'm going to be showing you how to do your zoom in effect now, so I use an app called Video Leap. So what you want to do is make sure, before you actually put the videos together, you want to put the effects on. You want to make sure that is in the app, and then you want to start a keyframe and then slowly zoom in. It's really simple to do. And the good thing with Video Leap is like it's a really smooth zoom in, so it's quite simple to do. And with the effect, I use the one on an app called Prequel. It's a really simple app, again, it's free on the App Store. Here what's what it looks like. And you want to get onto the app, load up your video, press effects and type in any effects you want. I used the Miami effect because I thought it looks the coolest. So yeah, once you've added your zoom in effect and your visual effect, obviously you want to edit it so they're in line. And when you've finally done all that, your TikTok is ready to go, ready to post. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to see another TikTok tutorial, I'm happy to do another one. The last one did very well. Thank you for watching that if you're watching that, or if you subscribe to the channel and you've just seen this new video, thanks to my old video. Please tag me in your TikToks if you do make any with my help, just in the comments or anything so I can see it and see how well you've done. Please like and subscribe as I said, and have a nice day.